Little Goose is back. It's August 26, 2006, and the Goosey's getting the bath. I'm gonna zoom in on the Goose.
The Goose is 3.5 months old.
Ooh.
Okay.
Let's come around for a close-up action shot. Hey, sweetie. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, Goose. Yeah. Mommy's giving the Goose a bath.
Gotta get all the parts.
All the parts. Zoom out. All the parts.
So we're gonna start with your face. Okay? Start with your face.
Look at the face. Uh-oh. Mom's arm is blocking the Goose. So we have to come around.
Hi. Ready? One eye.
Oh my.
Other eye.
None of these.
Okay. We have to get behind your ears.
Uh-oh. We don't
really
like this. We don't like this part.
There's one ear. And the other thing we don't like is under the neck.
Oh dear.
Alright.
Oh my. Oh no.
Okay.
Goose torture time.
You're okay.
Goose torture time.
You gotta get the other ear.
Uh-oh. Mom's blocking the shot. We'll have to zoom out. Little Goose.
It's okay, honey. You're okay. Okay. Now let's use some soap.
Oh my.
Now let's use some soap. Soapy. Soap the baby.
So,
Cleaning your tummy and your belly button.
little Goose,
Now
Goose,
we're
Goose,
cleaning your
Goose.
chest.
Little Goose, 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 Goose.
Yeah. And your shoulders. And we gotta stretch out your arm and clean the cracks.
Clean them all.
Under the arm.
Ha. She likes that.
Now we gotta do the other arm. Stretch out the arm and clean in the cracks. The shoulder. Under the arm. Now we're gonna move down the body. Clean it here. And clean the legs. And the feet.
No, got the feet and the toes. Feet and the toes. Feet and the toes.
Tickle the toes, yes. Yes. Okay, clean behind your knees. Stretch. Stretch. And the other leg. And the other leg. Yeah. 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 Hi, sweetie.
Little Goosey.
And behind the knee. Now. We're gonna lift you up. Sorry for blocking the shot, Daddy.
It's okay, we're blocking
In the
you
back.
up. In the back of the Goose. In the back of the Goose.
Okay. Now we're gonna lay you back down. Lay you back down. Clean this area. Lights up. Lights up. We're gonna clean your fingers.
Blocking the shot. Blocking the shot.
And in between the fingers. There we go.
Ooh, hey baby.
Yeah.
Hey baby.
Is that Daddy?
Oh.
What's Daddy doing?
Oh.
What's Daddy doing?
What's going on over here?
What's he doing?
Ooh. We're watching a doll.
Oh, what happened? What happened? Now, we have to empty the tub,
Uh-oh.
which means we get it back.
Oh my goodness.
Lean back. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Hi, sweeties. You are so cute. Yes, you are. Ready?
Ooh. Ooh.
This is gonna shock you. Yeah.
Make sure. Oh, that's too pressure. Too much pressure.
That feels funny, doesn't it?
What is Mom doing? What in the world is Mom doing? Too much pressure. Uh-oh. Shooting the camera.
Oh, sweetie. We got water all over your face, didn't we? Ready? We're gonna tilt you again.
Uh-oh. Over here. Tip the baby.
Okay. Now we're gonna get your hair a little wet.
Oh my.
Here we go. That's pretty good. Okay. Now we're gonna wash your hair.
Ooh.
We're gonna scrub it up. Scrub it up, down, scrub it up, down. Scrub it up, down, down. All this hair. You have a lot of hair. You were born with a lot of hair. Wow. You were born with lots of hair. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hi. Let's get some of the soap out ourselves. Yeah.
Hey, sweetie.
And then we have to spray it again. So,
Ooh.
looking good. Looking good. Okay, now we got the dump. Ready?
Where'd the baby go? Where's the baby? There's the baby. There she
That
is.
was fun. That was fun. A little bit more. Ready? Spray your legs a little. Alright. And I think we're about done. So, I think we're about done. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Okay. Now, we're going to lift you up, dripping and slippery.
Uh-oh.
Put you in the towel. Ready?
Oh, let's see our star of the show.
There we go. That's alright. Okay.
Where's the star of the show? Hold on. Let's get the shot of the baby.
That's alright. Zoo.
Ooh.
Bundled up.
Yeah.
Bundled up. And we need to dry all the cracks.
Uh-oh.
Dry all the cracks. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. It's okay. You're okay. Yeah. Dry the toes. Dry behind the knee. Dry the cracks. There's one leg. Let's do the other leg. Oh. Oh. What do you think there? What do you think there, huh? Yeah.
What's going on with the feet and toes on here?
Cute toes.
Ooh. Ooh.
Cute toes.
Ooh.
Okay. Now let's dry the crack up here. There we go. Now we gotta do the hands and the fingers. Come on.
Ooh.
There we go. There we go. Straighten out the arm. Now we gotta pull it up. Mm-hmm. Now the other arm. Ooh. And we'll open the hand, dry the fingers, the hand, and the arm. Mm-hmm. Now under the arm. Shoo. do some parts you don't like.
Mm-hmm.
Behind the ears. In the ear a little. Behind the other ear. It's alright. You're okay. Okay, now we're going to pull your head up. This part we really don't like. Oh, we got to dry it all. Dry it all. It's alright.
What's Mom doing? Torture the baby.
Okay. Here, sweetie. Gotta get all the cracks. It's okay. You're okay. It's alright. It's alright. But guess what? We gotta do the other side.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. 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 You're okay. It's okay. It's alright, sweetie. You get some oh. You get some gunk caught in there. You got some gunk caught in there. Victoria. 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 Okay. Let's cuddle the baby. Should we cuddle the baby? Here we go. Wrap her up. Whoop. Like a mommy. Cuddle. Cuddle. You're okay. It's alright. It's okay. Oh.
Hi.
Let's go look at the wallpaper.
Yeah.
Let's show
Maybe we should take her upstairs and
how much you love.
There's your wallpaper, Goose.
Oh. Look at that. Look at that.
What?
What do you think? Ooh. Should we go up and get clothes on ya? I think so. We're gonna go upstairs and put clothes on. Okay. Daddy, wanna come?
Yeah. Follow the gooses and the mamas.
I hope you're not coming to my mom.
Film it.
That's alright. Okay, now. Here we go. Gotta unwrap ya. You're okay. Now,
Goosey.
bum up.
I think somebody's almost ready for another nap.
Okay, we just have to get your clothes on. Yeah. Ready? Alley-oop. Woo! Over the head. Now the other arm. There we go. You're okay. It's okay. Hey. Hey. Hold on here.
Goose, it's okay, sweetie.